MULN, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Mullen Automotive and this is already melting. One thing that I want to say is that I know some people are saying this is like a ripoff, should probably buy, whatnot. I've had so many receipts with MULN in my Discord as well. So many, specifically, like in particular, 2023, the year, right? I mean, again, I'm the only guy that has documented 38,000 videos like this. So with MULN, all I want to say is that I'm not surprised about this. Obviously not even trading that, because why? How the heck would I position myself here? I mean, we can argue, and this is definitely subjective, but that's why I'm just not even going to touch it. So all I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's free. It's free sauce. We'll continue to keep you updated.